Noticed that there was a colony of fruit bats living in the rafters. So that plant consists of 2 rum bases. One of them is aguardiente and
made it to the cocktail making class, and we all got our stations set up to make some cocktails.
Say hi, get acquainted if you haven't met them before. I love that. Do you have that? See? Okay. Up to 12 years of age rum. First they age it in oak barrels, and then they finish it for a month in a sherry. Oh, okay, I love my Aries people. I'm an Aries myself, okay, so happy birthday. And what about, say salud, mi gente. Salud.
Just finished the cocktail making class. It was very nice. They actually gave us a lot of liquor. It's only like 4:30 or something like that, and I need to take a nap so that I don't sleep the night away. So I'm about to take the trolley back to the entrance, and then take the shuttle back to the ferry, and the ferry back over to the other side of San Juan, Old San Juan, so I can go back to the hotel. That was a ball. After the rum cocktail making class, I'm about to take a nap and then shower and get dressed for the night. Got my little door lock on there so nobody can open or close the door, in addition to the chain lock. And I'm gonna put this other lock on there as well. So yeah, solo travelers, get you one of these.